So hello and welcome everyone. Important instructions for appearing for center-based online examination have been released by the institute. So I will go through each and every instruction. Before I start the video, I would request you all, I want to clarify one thing, that exam is as per schedule in whole India. In some specific cities, it might get delayed, for which the official notification will be released by the institute. So exam is as per schedule in whole India. In some specific centers only it might get delayed, for which you are requested to wait for official notification. As soon as it will come, I will intimate each and everybody. As far as admit cards are concerned, due to some server error, the website has crashed. Hopefully tonight it might get functional, and as soon as it will get functional, I will update it on my Telegram channel. Name is Sanket Pandit. You can search. So now let's read all the instructions. The candidate must ensure to report at the online examination center at 8:30. Your paper is from 9, right? So 8:30 you have to reach or report the examination center, and 1 p.m. for second session. If you are final student, then 1 p.m. you have to reach the examination center wearing face mask. Carry with them related exam documents, that is Aadhaar card, ID card, and your hall ticket. You should carry pen, pencil, calculator, scale, whatever, sanitizer and all, everything. Okay. This is very important. Borrowing, lending, exchange of the same, means pencil, pen, paper, that exchange is strictly prohibited. So please make sure कि अपना अपना जो भी है आप लेके जाओ. Each candidate must show his admit card along with the identity card for admission to the examination hall before entering the same, and also shall produce on the demand of the officer. It is self-explanatory. You carry admit card and also carry your institute identity card. If you don't have institute identity card, then you can carry the driving license, passport or Aadhaar card. Okay. Candidates should avoid gathering, crowding at the center at the time of the entry. So avoid crowding and all. Students are required to log in at 9:45 for first session, right? So 15 मिनट आपको मिलेगा एक क्वेश्चन पेपर पढ़ने के लिए स्क्रीन पे. So students are required, so you need to log in at 9:45 if you are intermediate student, and at 2:15 if you are final student. Okay, so paper 5:30 तक चलेगा, right? So 2:15 paper will start at 2:30 for finals, and it will go till 5:30, and 15 minutes before you will be given the access. Okay, so you can read the paper. Same goes with inter. Paper will start at 10, but you can log in by 9:45 and you can check the question paper. For every exam session 9:45 to 1 p.m. I told you 15 minutes पहले आपको question paper मिल जाएगा, and 2:15 to 5:30 is for finals. Okay, there is no negative marking. Question paper will contain both MCQ and descriptive, already told. In case of problem based question, that is numerical, student must write only key and final answer. Whatever the final answer is there, the webinar is also conducted. I have uploaded the same on the YouTube channel, so you can watch it. So you just need to write the key answer as far as problems are concerned. In case of theory, you need to type full theory, whatever is there in the space which is provided. Candidate must not, you should not write your name, registration number, or disclose your identity in online answer or in rough sheet. Okay, so you should not disclose your identity at all. The roll number, registration number is required to be mentioned only at the required space provided. So wherever they ask, there only you write your registration number. While typing, do not provide your identity or anything. No passkey will be shared by mail or SMS, as it is center based. So no passkey or anything will be sent to your email address or mobile number. It will be directly sent, or whatever is there, it will be directly provided to the center only. Answer should be typed or written either in English or Hindi as per the medium selected at the time of submitting examination form. Examination candidates are not allowed to answer by mixing both the languages. Okay, so obviously if you are English medium student, you have to type your answer in English. You cannot mix any of the language. As far as Hindi medium students are concerned, there are 4 sections. Section A, B, C, D. So section A, Hindi medium, has 2 click online only. Okay, so it is completely MCQ, so Hindi medium students will apply it and click or whatever, feed it online itself. As far as section B, C and D is concerned, answer sheet will be provided and it should be submitted to the invigilator. Means you have to write it on the answer sheet. Okay, we will read it. The answer sheet will be provided by the institute to attempt section B, C and D. This is only for Hindi medium. Okay, in the examination center, and the answer sheet must be submitted to the invigilator before leaving the examination center for them. The physical answer sheet will be considered for final evaluation. So the physical answer sheet जिसमें आप हिंदी मीडियम वालों लिखोगे वो कंसिडर किया जाएगा और वही इवेल्युएट किया जाएगा. Only Hindi medium applicants are eligible for this. So English medium have to type the final answer. As far as theory is concerned, they have to write full thing. Hindi medium section A will be completely online. B, C, D, they have to write it in the answer sheet which will be provided, and that will only be evaluated. Okay, Hindi medium are required to mention their registration number and other things. Okay, 14, the candidate must not change their allotted seat in the examination hall. So please make sure that जहाँ पे आप बैठे हो वहीं पे बैठे रहो और वहाँ पे अच्छे से एग्जाम दो. Please don't change, or else directly it will be cancelled. Students are requested to check their spam email box, SMS and website for all notification वगैरह, or else you can subscribe my channel. I will surely share all the things. I also share on my Telegram channel, and the Telegram channel link I will give it in the description box or in the I button. Okay. Keep your registration number, date of birth as per examination application form and other details handy before getting ready. So registration number everybody should learn. That will be much easier. Date of birth you all know. So keep that details handy because I think it will be required while logging in. All candidates must ensure before reaching the online examination center that they do not have any symptom or suffering from COVID-19. So make sure you are healthy, you are fine, then only go to the examination. No candidate shall be permitted to leave the examination hall before 11 AM in the first session. So if you are intermediate student, before 11 AM you cannot leave the examination center, and 3:30 if you are a final student. Okay. Candidates will not be allowed to carry their mobile phone, smartwatch, other electronic gadgets, books and written material and bag inside online examination hall. So please make sure you do not carry your mobile phone, smartwatches, electronic gadgets, books or any other material inside the examination hall. Otherwise, the concerned student will be RA, reported against examination rule violation. So make sure you do not carry your mobile phone or anything at the examination center. At entry point, the candidate shall be subject to thermal temperature, scanning and sanitization hands. Okay, so you will be checked your temperature and all, and sanitization of your hand will be done. These are very important. If you don't read this instruction and go, अरे मेरे को तो मालूम नहीं था, ये नहीं था, ये हो गया, वो हो गया. That's why investing 5 minutes, 10 minutes is very much important. Candidates and other functionaries having body temperature of more than normal. So if you are having high temperature, more than normal prescribed limit, will not be allowed to enter in the online examination center. Okay, so if you are not well, it is advised that you do not come to the examination, or else if you have high temperature and all below the prescribed limit, you won't be allowed to enter the examination hall. All candidate must ensure entry in the examination wearing mask all the time. So please make sure you wear mask so that you are also safe, your people who are besides you are also safe. Candidates shall continue to wear face mask and shall remove the same only at the time of personal identification. So you should wear the mask thoroughly, continuously. Only at the verification, you can personal identification verification, you can remove once and then again wear. Candidates shall take permission of the invigilator for use of washroom and all. So it is self-explanatory. All candidates are advised to cooperate with the examination functionaries for adherence of the COVID-19. Okay, so you cooperate with them. On completion of the examination, the candidates will be permitted to move out in the orderly manner. Please wait for the instructions and all. Candidate shall make sure park your vehicles properly. General instruction related to CMA examination must be added. You will have to complete your examination within 3 hours by 1 PM and till 5:30 for the second session. Is it clear? At the time of examination, you will be strictly under surveillance. You must maintain the examination rule, regulation, otherwise you will be under reported against. So please make sure that you do not do any mischievous activities at the examination center. You will be under the surveillance. Candidate can be debarred from the institute for using unfair means. So please make sure you do not use any unfair means and all. The institute will provide rough sheet for working and rough work only at the examination center to allow students to work out key final answer. So you don't need to take any rough sheet along with you. Institute will provide rough sheets for working. Okay. Candidate must submit their rough sheet to the invigilator before leaving the examination hall. So you have to submit your rough sheet, rough work to the examiner. Okay. The rough sheet shall form part of the examination record as supporting. So it will form part of the record as supporting. No student is allowed to carry rough sheet with them in any condition. All the sheets used by them must be submitted. Okay, so don't carry anything with you. Submit, वहां से ही लो rough sheet, वहीं submit कर दो. Candidates are required to follow subject based instructions before starting the examination. So please make sure that you read all the instructions which will be provided. Candidate must be careful while clicking on the reset button. I have already made a video how to use the portal. You can watch my video. There I have told each and everything. Students must keep patience and try to complete all questions within the time frame allotted for the examination. Students will be strictly monitored during the examination by the invigilators and CCTV. Students must maintain the examination rules. Otherwise, you will be reported against violating the examination rules. So make sure that you are just making sure that you give your paper only. You don't do any other things which are prohibited, because you will be under surveillance of the CCTV and also invigilator. Don't fight with that invigilator or else some trouble will happen. In case of any difficulty in understanding of instruction and any other issues, concerns related to examination, the students must contact or report the invigilator on the spot. So if you have any problem, anything, as it is center based, you directly report it to the invigilator. So this is it. I wish you each and everybody all the very best. I once again repeat, please watch this video completely. All the 36 instructions are very important. It's just for your examination, your benefit. Second thing, exam is as per schedule, whole pan India. Only in some cities it might get delayed, for which official notification will come. So please make sure you study well. My best wishes with you. Thank you so much. All the very best. Bye bye.